good morning. Today we will continue with our chapter number 5, Industries. In last video, we had discussed about what is industry and classification of industries. Today, we will see about factors affecting location of industry. So, the factor affecting the location of industries are availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport and market. If these factors are not available properly for any kind of industry or any particular industry, then it will not work properly. You find so much difficulties then. That's why you can observe that most of the industries are established nearby or near the river belts or the places where they can get proper human powers, man-made manpower or water, or they select the area from where they get the raw material for the manufacturing for their company. Sometimes government provides incentives like subsidies, power, lower transport costs and other infrastructure, so the industries may be located in backward areas. Why in backward areas and why they give subsidies and lower transport cost? To development of those backward areas. If any particular industries would be established in those lower areas or any backward areas, then the people who are living there in backward areas, they got an employment, they got some salary and their living standard will change, their per capita will change. Now let's discuss about industrial system. Industrial system. An industrial system consists of inputs, processes and outputs. In inputs, we can include raw materials, labor, cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. In the process, we can include a wide range of activities, means machinery, the convert raw material into finished products, and the outputs means the dispatch. After finish the product, after manufacturing the complete products, when you send them to the market and earn some income from it, it is the output of that industry. Here one example is given. In case textile industry, inputs means cotton, human labor and factory and transport costs. The process included the ginning, spinning, weaving and dyeing and printing and making threads and then making shirt or pant or anything from the, and the output, the shirt. What is the output of cotton? The shirt which we are wearing, the dhoti which we are wearing, the gamcha which we are using, means the output. And after selling that shirt in the market, that they got income. Now let's discuss about industrial regions. Industrial regions emerge when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Here in the figure you can see that world's industrial regions, where are the most of the world industrial belt, means in that coffee color you can see these are the world industrial belt, and in black color it is industrial regions. India has several industrial regions like Mumbai, Pune cluster, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad, Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam, Guntur belt, Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut region, and Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram industrial clusters. So these are the main industrial centers, industrial regions of India, where you can see lots of or so many industries there. In Gujarat we can say GIDC. GIDC means where the group of companies work together, means nearby, they are close to each other. When you go to Ahmedabad or Baroda, you can see lots of refineries, lots of companies, lots of karkhanas, mills, and everything are there. This is called industrial regions. In another incident on 23rd 2000, due to the gas well blowout, Gakuyo, Chongqing, China, 243 people died, 9,000 were injured, and 64,000 were evacuated. Many people died because they were unable to run after explosion. Those who could not accept time suffered burns at their eyes, skin, lungs from the gas. Now, distribution of major industries. The world's major industries are the iron and steel industries, and the textile industries, and the information technology industries. The iron and steel and textile industry are the older industry, while information technology is an emerging industries. And from the time of Mughals and from the time of many samrats and emperors, or we can say from the times of Britishers, in India we had iron and steel and as well as textile industries were there. If we talk about information technology industry, it is emerging industry. Before several years ago, this information technology has started. The countries in which iron and steel industries is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan, and Russia. Textile industry in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. And the major of information technology industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore regions of India. So, iron and steel industry. So, like other industries, steel and iron industry comprises various outputs, processes, and outputs. To produce the product, first they need a raw material from other industries. The inputs for the industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal, and limestone, along with labor, capital, site, and other infrastructure. The process is converting iron ore into steel involves many studies, different what we can say seeds and different machineries and all these things. These are the outputs. So, like the other industries, iron and steel industries are work. Here in figure 5.5 you can see 8 tons of coal, 4 tons of iron ore plus 1 ton of limestone, then you can get 1 ton of steel. So in short we can say, if you want to get 1 ton of steel, first you need 8 ton of coal, then 4 ton of iron ore and 1 ton of limestone, then you get the 1 ton of steel. So till here we discussed today. Tomorrow we will discuss more about this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.